Welcome fragrance enthusiasts to an exhilarating unboxing experience of the Club de Nuit Intense Woman. Prepare to be captivated as we unwrap the essence of sophistication and allure. Behold the elegant packaging, adorned with the iconic Club de Nuit logo, setting the stage for the extraordinary fragrance journey that awaits. As the box unveils its treasure, we are greeted by a stunning, luxurious bottle. The sleek black design exudes confidence, while the gold accents add a touch of glamour. It's not just a fragrance, it's a statement of style. Now let's delve into the heart of Club de Nuit Intense Woman. Imagine a symphony of floral notes dancing with the warmth of amber and vanilla. It's a fragrance that seamlessly transitions from day to night, embodying the spirit of a modern, confident woman. Picture yourself strolling through a blooming garden, surrounded by the delicate whispers of jasmine and rose, each note harmonizing to create a sensory masterpiece that lingers in the air, leaving a trail of sophistication in your wake. But what sets Club de Nuit Intense Woman apart? It's not just about the initial enchantment. This fragrance boasts a remarkable longevity, ensuring that you remain the center of attention throughout the day and into the night. A few spritzes in the morning and you'll find yourself wrapped in its intoxicating embrace, confident that your fragrance is as enduring as your spirit. In conclusion, Club de Nuit Intense Woman is more than just a perfume. It's an experience, a journey into the realm of timeless elegance and self-assured femininity. Unbox the allure, unleash the intensity, and make every moment unforgettable with Club de Nuit Intense Woman, and always remember, your scent is your signature.